It's a declaration of war. When you got war in Legends, you got a big old battle. A bigger one than you can imagine. Alright. Well, welcome back, my Devastationers. I'm Devastation Nathan. I understand you guys are pretty much getting a little bit unsatisfied with the videos lately. I understand, so I'm here to cheer you guys up. As you can see from last time, we defeated Mars at the lake near, I say around, well, I kind of can't remember. It's been pretty much a long, exhausting day. But what I can say is, guys, we're getting pretty good, decent training out of it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to head straight for Lake Acuity. And that will be right near Snowpoint City. So what we have to do, we have to go right through Mount Coronet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right up to Eterna City, get a Pokemon we need, and make our way to Eterna City. So what we're going to need Monk Chop, and that'll be that. Pretty much, I don't like the fact that we're taking Monk Chop with us, due to facts. Pretty much, guys, we gotta make a lot of progress. We're getting somewhere, but not anywhere, in fact. Pretty much this egg is close to hatching. Well, not close, but I'm sure you guys get my meaning. We need to collect some other stuff too, because I believe when we get on this trip all the way up to Mount Coronet, we're not stopping. Because apparently, this is going to be a long time. What we could use is some Pokeballs and Ultra Balls. Some Great Balls too. Oh, let's make sure we're prepared. Well, pretty much we can teach him strength. Oh, hold up. Forgot something. Enough repels to go. Probably sell a few things. A few things we probably don't need. I'm not selling any of that. Alright, let's go. Pretty much we gotta make sure we stop King Galactic at all times. Like I said, guys, we're gonna be able to get past all these guys pretty easily. But it won't be so easy that we have to battle. Just the repel, don't want to use the max repel already. Ice Shield. And it's all gone. Oh well. And I spoke too soon. Well, like many people say, you reap what you sow. Not in this term, actually. And now I can't see Jack Dilly's squat. Which is no problem, though. Well. Ah, man, I forgot. Oh guys, looks like I forgot. Well, forget it. We got one max ether, but I'm not going to use that move anytime soon. Granted, with this fog, it means both of us at a disadvantage. White clay. Pretty much we're going to be dealing with a lot. Soft sand. Sorry guys, I am really in concentration mode. Never melt ice. Well, need all the power we can get. We made it up to the mountains, guys. All the way to the point of Mount Coronet. Golduck. I should have known better. Close combat. Boy. Rapidash. Infernape, come back. Gastrodon. You surf. Will-O-Wisp isn't gonna help. Sudowoodo. Pretty much, guys, we are making some steady progress, but we need to train a lot more. Need to keep training. More training, the better. Fix up Infernape, so that way he'll have a better chance at fighting. A revive. Put as many items as we can. Also catch some kind of Pokemon up here. Snover. can be caught. Good job. Porygon. Staraptor. Aerial Ace. Pretty much, guys, if we stay up here, we're going to be able to battle a lot more strong opponents. Staraptor. It's 2 down. Well, guys, sacrifice is needed, but it wasn't worth it. Guess up here it's gonna be a long, hard battle. Pretty much we're gonna need a lot more protection. It's a good thing we have some to help with that. Snow Run. Oh boy. Guys, this is going to be a long journey up the mountain. Tropius. Good enough for me. Well, Tropius is a good Pokemon, but not good enough to survive this harsh weather. But now, Sneasel. flame wheel. Pretty much, guys, we're gonna stick out the experience share until that egg hatches. Alright, we're healed up and ready to fight. Sneasel! Very good. I see it. That's right, come on out. That's right, I know you're a little bit tired, but work with me. Spark. I know. If you guys are wondering, leave me a comment. Let me know if ice types are weak against a little bit weak against electric. Oi! I take that back. That's coming. Need to find a Sneasel or something. Alright then, Sneasel, I need you to come with me. I'll make it to a fine Weavile. Let's see. Come on, Sneasel. Ah, good, shoot. I was about to say. Sneasel didn't survive. It's a good thing he had enough guts to survive. Oh, come on! Oh, please, this hail better not kill him. I need Sneasel alive. Got it. Sneasel, the Sharp Claw Pokemon, a dark and ice type, a smart and sneaky Pokemon. A pair may work together to steal eggs by having one lure the parents away. So it looks like this Pokemon's real sneaky. He'll be in the box until we come back. So pretty much, guys, we are going to be having lots of fun up in this mountain. I would say we keep using the experience share, but the only reason I've been using it time back to back so that way each one of my Pokemon can get a level up. Ah, come on now. Is Spark. All I can say is, gosh, we're very lucky. Very, very lucky. We're humans dealing with a lot of rampaging Pokemon. Oops, sorry, guys. Scyther. You know, the only thing wrong about this is that many flying type Pokemon have a huge disadvantage here. All I can say is they won't last for more than 20 minutes. Aerial Ace. Good shot. Not enough though. Area lace. Dusclops. Good enough reason for me. Gastrodon. Pretty much, guys, we're making some steady progress. I won't lie. Waterfalls. Will-O-Wisp. Oh, that was a cheap shot. Probably should have stuck to Surf. But you can't have everyone. Gastrodon wants to learn Muddy Water. Isn't that a new one? Gastrodon has learned Muddy Water. Pretty much, guys, we are making some steady progress. Keeping this up, we should be able to reach a new point of battle. Maylene. Okay, guys, this is going to be difficult because now we got to navigate through a blizzard. Besides, looks like this isn't going to be easy. I like the buzz. Gastrodon, take over. It's a good thing I switched out the Gastrodon. Mudbomb. Muddy Water. Bagmore. Muddy Water. Yeah, I'm not falling for that Will-O-Wisp again. This is going to be a long adventure, guys. I won't lie to you. Now I just need to figure out which way to go without having any trouble running into anything else. Into this cursed blizzard. Hey guys, if you guys are watching this and you guys live in the cold country, I'm sorry for that. I really do. Flame wheel. Okay. I guess we can't use that bike in the snow, so it looks like we're stuck. Kid, if you're lumping all the way out in the snow, you're obviously crazy. Burn it, switch out. Poison Fang. Thunder Fang. Got it. Excellent. Pretty much, guys, we are taking on ruthless battles. I am really glad that you guys are sticking with me. And I appreciate your support. Please support me. Let's make it through together. Snowbird. Snowbird. Flame wheel. Alright guys, we're gonna keep on going, but from here on out, we're probably gonna go ahead and turn in today. But I want to thank you guys for staying with me, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this playthrough. Rock climb. This is going to be the final battle of the night, guys, and then we're going to save it here and go ahead and call it in. Skorupi. Go back. Thunder Fang. Alright, we win. Time to turn in. But I want to thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this playthrough. But like I said, stay with me and you'll get to the end of the war to face off against the true boss. Until then, I'll see you later.